Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn how to create a VM or means virtual machine in Google Cloud. So let's start. So if you don't have an account, so you have to go official website of the Google Cloud and here start free button. You can click on this and fill the information of that regarding and you can create this account. So I have already created an account. So for that, we have to create VM. So I will go to navigation menu and after that navigation menu, here compute engine present here and after that here VM instance. Or other way is create a VM. You can create a VM from directly here. Okay. So loading this page. After that, we have to give the VM instance name. So I want to create for the Ubuntu. So here I will give Ubuntu. And after that, here label is present. And here, see here monthly estimate is present here. Means we have to pay a charges for that instances. So we can change this region or zone and this monthly estimates is regarding these changes. So see. So I want to add the label here. Go to add and here key and value means regarding this OS or regarding this instance, we can add the label. Okay, so I want to give this Ubuntu and this regarding for this specific project means its value. Okay, like that. So here company name is key is company and value is diopsin like that. So I will cancel it and see this monthly estimates when I changes this region. So I want to give this regions Asia, Mumbai. Okay. So see here for the estimate, monthly estimate, see $30.58. Okay. So here region, I want to select South 1A. Okay. After that, machine configuration here, multiple families are present here. General purpose, optimize, memory optimize, CPU like that. So here, sorry for that. Here general purpose I will select here and in this series see here EC2, N2, C3, ND2 means what here EC2, C3, N2 means it's a 1, 2, 3 like that. These are the generation means EC2 second generation, C third generation, here N1 first generation like that. And it's a interprocessor R. But in this D, in last alphabet, it's D, N2D, T2D, like that. These are the AMD processors. Okay, these are the AMD processor. So I will select the EC2 from the second generation. And here machine type is I will select the micro. Okay, I will select the micro because I don't have RAM or it's too big. That's why. So I select this and see here these monthly charges is changes $8.54. Okay, nearly about hourly 0.1. Okay, after that this is keep as it is. Display device means it's a capturing and recording tools. Its purpose for that. And confidential usage, it's enable or disable as your requirement. So go to this boot disk. It's an important part because we have to change this Ubuntu. Okay, we have to change this. So change from here and see here different families are present here. Public images, custom images, snapshot, archives, snapshot, like that. So I will select this public images, and in that operating system is Ubuntu. Okay, and it's regarding Ubuntu operating system. Here versions we have to select here. I want to select 24 LTS 86 by 64. This. After that, remaining part I will keep as it is. After access scope, this access scope is allow default access. And this firewall, you can allow HTTP traffic. If you don't use this firewall, then this our data is go through the HTTP traffic. Okay. So now we have to create this instance. After that is creating the instance. See here. Okay. So it's create an instance and select it. And after that we have to connect from the SSH. So click on this and go to open in browser window. So see here pop-up it's present, pop-up are two pop-ups are present. So go to this SSH and it's loading. From that we can connect the instance. That's why we have to go SSH server. So see, it's loading now completely. And I want to check the Ubuntu OS related releases. Means which release is present on that. So I will type the command cat /etc. We have to click on that cat /etc/os/release and enter it. So yeah, some mistake is present here. So again, I will select and I have to press paste. So see, the name of the Ubuntu and version is 20.05 LTS and ID like Debian. Okay. So this is a website. So like that we can create a instance. Okay. So we can create a VM instance. So thank you for the watching video.